हॅलो गाईज, वेलकम बॅक टू मी यूट्यूब चॅनल. तर गाईज आम्ही आत्ता म्हणजे मी क्लासेस जॉईन केलेत पर्सनल डेव्हलपमेंटचे. तर त्या क्लासेस थ्रू आम्ही अकलूजमध्ये एका प्लेसला व्हिजिट देण्यासाठी चाललेलो आहे, लाईव्ह सेक्शन व्हिजिटसाठी. तर गाईज व्लॉग कंटिन्यू करा, भेटत आपण लवकरच. कळेल तुम्हाला कोणता प्लेस आणि काय प्लेस आहे. सो गाईज फायनली आम्ही या प्लेसवरती पोहोचलेलो आहोत आणि हे अल्केमिस्ट स्पोकन इंग्लिशचे संचालक प्रताप सर आहेत. तर गाईज आत्ता मी लवकरच एंट्री करेल आणि तुम्हाला पण नक्कीच पाहायला भेटेल की किती छान प्लेस आहे आणि खूप मस्त प्लेस आहे हे. चलो व्लॉग कंटिन्यू करूया. हे बघा, हा प्लेस आहे शिवसृष्टी किल्ला. सो फायनली तिकीट पण घेतलेलं आहे.
is situated near Nira Nadi and it is in Akluz. That Shivsrushti, that is whole the what we call Shivsrushti Palace, is away from bus stand, 2 kilometer away from bus stand. Okay, so that the old name I think that the fort is Bhuikot Fort. Bhuikot Fort, okay. And I think in 1976 or 1978, the politicians which are here, that is called the Mohites, okay, they developed that fort and convert it in 2006 into Shivsrushti, okay. All got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in 19th February, in 19th February 1630, the Shivaji Maharaj born, and look that picture, that is here in 1630. Okay, he saw the first sunrise, that means he born. Okay, the initial phase is quite difficult for Jizamata, okay, because Shahaji Maharaj was not there. After that, first 6 years of Shivaji Maharaj was not that much good. Okay, that time what happened? Jizamata wants to give a good education, good facilities to the Shivaji Maharaj. After that, okay, we came here. We just saw that picture. Here is the picture of Shivaji Maharaj was there. The lady standing on that what we call balcony. You can say that is Jizamata, the mother of Shivaji, and Shivaji Maharaj is playing with his childhood friends. Look. Initial phase, okay, 6 years of Shivaji Maharaj from birth, it is difficult. After that, he just take education in means various field. Okay, in Jizamata also give means she tells story about Ramayana, Mahabharata, and means he taught to him about some sons like means I don't know exactly Ekana. Means Tukaram Maharaj story, and she also teaches him to means how to build an empire. Okay, that is the main purpose of him. Now we know that Shivaji Maharaj is the founder of Swarajya, Hindavi Swarajya. Okay, that time the goal is decided by Jizamata. Okay, that one son, the Shivaji Maharaj, we make him the that a warrior for a Hindu culture. Okay, the Hindavi Swaraj is the main purpose of Hindavi Swaraj is to redevelop the uh, Hindu spirituality. Actually, the main goal is that. After that means according to that goal, from the childhood. Okay, you see that all picture from childhood means Jizamata taught Shivaji Maharaj all that things means like if I don't know the word, but talwarbaz असेल, भाला फेक असेल, and other activities. And Shivaji Maharaj also plays the hide and seek, ball on the top, is what we used to play in our childhood. And what? That's all.
Say he the name of person is Babaji Buzar. He is from Ranjangaon. He appointed to private expenses of Jizabai. Then he was robbed the reputation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Then Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had ordered to cut his limbs and other things at the January of 1645. That they himself looked the picture. That's all.
Today I am going to tell about name ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj. First of all, I tell about Scaraments of Jizamata by Shivaji Maharaj born in her home. First thing,